Hello and welcome to Bitcoin Dorks, your go-to channel for daily updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. Today, we will be discussing the recent developments in the cryptocurrency industry and how they are affecting the market. First, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network, allowing users to make secure and anonymous transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks or governments. Despite its volatile history, Bitcoin has gained widespread acceptance among investors and has become a popular choice for diversifying investment portfolios. In recent months, the value of Bitcoin has been on an upward trajectory, reaching an all-time high of over $60,000 in April 2021. Many investors see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a safe haven asset in times of economic uncertainty. However, in recent weeks, the price of Bitcoin has been fluctuating, and it currently sits at around $50,000. Many analysts believe that this is due to a number of factors, including increased regulation and concerns about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. Another cryptocurrency that has been making headlines recently is Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and it is often seen as a rival to Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily used as a store of value, Ethereum is designed to be a platform for decentralized applications. This means that developers can use Ethereum to build their own blockchain-based applications, known as smart contracts. One of the biggest news stories in the cryptocurrency world recently has been the rise of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. It has taken the cryptocurrency world by storm in recent months. These unique digital assets, which are stored on a blockchain, represent a new way for artists, creators, and collectors to engage with the world of digital content. NFTs can represent anything from artwork to video game items, and they are sold and traded like traditional assets. The key difference is that NFTs are one of a kind and cannot be replicated, making them highly valuable to collectors and investors. Despite the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, there are still many challenges facing the industry. Regulation is one of them. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, and there is still a lot of uncertainty around the legal status of these assets. Some countries have taken a more welcoming approach to cryptocurrencies, while others have banned their use altogether. This patchwork of regulations creates a complex and confusing landscape for investors and businesses operating in the cryptocurrency space. Security is another major challenge facing the cryptocurrency industry, because cryptocurrencies are stored on a decentralized network of computers. They are vulnerable to hacking and other cyber attacks. In fact, there have been a number of high-profile cryptocurrency hacks over the past few years, including the theft of $600 million worth of cryptocurrency from the Japanese exchange Coincheck in 2018. These attacks have raised concerns about the security of cryptocurrencies and have led to calls for increased regulation and better security measures. Additionally, some countries, like Japan and Switzerland, have taken a relatively permissive approach to cryptocurrency regulation, while others, like China and India, have taken a much stricter stance. In the United States, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving, with different agencies taking different approaches to regulation. Moreover, the use of cryptocurrencies in illegal activities is a key area of concern for regulators, and there have been several high-profile cases of money laundering and terrorist financing involving cryptocurrencies. However, it is important to note that the vast majority of cryptocurrency transactions are completely legitimate, and that many experts believe that the transparency and immutability of the blockchain actually make it easier to track and prevent illegal activities than traditional financial systems. Another area of concern for regulators is the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining is becoming a growing concern for regulators, as the process requires a tremendous amount of computing power, which in turn requires a lot of energy. The mining process involves solving complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. This requires powerful computer hardware, such as specialized mining rigs, which consume a significant amount of energy. The increasing demand for Bitcoin mining has led to a surge in energy consumption, with some estimates suggesting that the entire Bitcoin network consumes as much energy as a small country. This has raised concerns about the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, particularly its contribution to carbon emissions and global warming. In response to these concerns, some cryptocurrency companies and mining operations have begun to explore alternative energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, some regulators are considering policies to incentivize more sustainable mining practices, such as the use of renewable energy sources and the implementation of energy-efficient mining hardware. However, many people remain optimistic about the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Some believe that cryptocurrencies could eventually replace traditional currencies and payment systems, while others see blockchain technology as a way to transform industries like healthcare, logistics, and supply chain management. Overall, the cryptocurrency industry is still in its early stages, and there are sure to be many twists and turns ahead. However, as more and more people become interested in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, we can expect to see continued growth and innovation in the industry. That's all for today's update on the cryptocurrency markets and important news. Be sure to subscribe to Bitcoin